You record me again?
No.
Yes, you do.
No, I'm just... Fuck you. Just fuck you sing. No, not fucking.
She's trying to fuck me sing! Oh god. No. If you're recording me right now, listen. She's trying to fuck me sing. Like... Hello.
No, servus.
How you doing?
Hi.
Good?
Great.
Yeah, cool. It's a lot of beer, huh?
Do you want to drink one with me?
Cool, it's no problem.
Hallo.
So, wie heißt du?
Dominik, ich habe deinen Namen.
Dominik. Vergessen?
Dein Name ist schwer.
Ja, Jatin.
Es ist nicht
You have
schwer.
said my name.
Oh, there,
Maybe
exactly,
over
wenn du
there.
so
I know.
I
I know when we met,
Genau.
but your name is difficult for me.
Yeah, it is. Also, heißt Dominik und sie heißt Laura.
Laura.
Laura?
Ja.
Also, sie
Hallo.
ist ein guter Freund von mir. Oh, Freund.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
From Spain.
Ha! Another Spanish.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing wrong with Spanish girls.
Okay.
Okay.
Right?
Nothing wrong with Spanish people.